Hello everyone and welcome to another Muse Kits What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today we'll be going over what is in April's box. We got some really cool stuff this month, so let's hop down below and see what we got. Alright, opening up your box, you'll have your brochure. Open up and it'll give you an idea of what a Muse is. Flip to the next page and you'll get an introduction to this month's medium. Flip to the next page and you will see all the tools that you're going to find in this month's box. Flip to the next page and you will find a quick start guide to help you get a starting idea on how to use these products. Flip to the next page and you will find this month's challenge prompts as well as some pointers on how to get the best results using these products. Flip to the next page and you will find your skill challenge guide to give yourself a little extra challenge using these products. And then flip to the final page and you will have everything that you need to get your Laurel points as well as our images from our Muse community. The first thing I want to mention in here is this insert from Hannah Mule for this painting competition. Make sure to check it out for a fun opportunity. Now the first things out of this box are the 100% cotton bandanas. With a solid white color and a lightweight feel, these fashion bandanas are going to make for the perfect accessory in your stylish outfit. These bandanas work perfect for creating your very own wearable piece of art. Wear your bandana as an accessory in your outfit or hang it up on your wall as a piece of art in your home. The next items out of here are the 2 tulip one-step tie-dye mini kits. This one-step tie-dye is an easy to use one-step process that eliminates the process of having to pre-soak your fabric in soda ash. Just add some water to the dye bottles and then shake it and apply. Featuring a bold red and blue Patriot color set and the bright neon color set as well. These colors are formulated to stay incredibly vibrant and beautiful wash after wash. Alright, the next thing out of here is the 6-piece artist brush set. These brushes are made from a durable nylon hair and sturdy wooden handle. These soft and flexible bristles pick up paint well and release it smoothly. Their handles provide a perfect balance with a precise control while painting. With the high gloss finish, these will be a nice sleek set of brushes to have. And the next thing we have out of here are the Tulip Fine Tip Black Fabric Markers 2-pack. Give your fabric a boost of color with these Tulip fabric markers. This pack includes 2 black fine tip markers that are perfect for doodling, outlining, and writing on your fabric. Tulip fabric markers dye permanently, so let your imagination take over with a variety of DIY craft services. And the last main item out of this box is the Jacquard Textile Color Exciter Pack. Decorate fabrics beautifully with Jacquard's stunning colors. These semi-opaque textile paints are intense and vibrant while still leaving your fabric as soft as possible. This light-bodied paint can be used on natural and synthetic fabrics, leather, paper, and wood. This assortment includes 9 textile colors in 1/2 ounce bottles, so you'll have all the colors that you'll need. And for this box being our 100th box, we included a cute enamel pin, and of course we can't forget about our sticker and candy. But let's get everything going and see what we can create using these products. So when I was coming up with the design for this piece, I wanted to make something that was kind of subtle for the background colors, but really vibrant for the subject. So to start off, I made a very subtle green on green tie-dye. Now, one thing to do when you're doing tie-dye is just have fun with it. When you're doing all the wraps, wrap it around fun things, twist it in weird ways. It can be so much fun doing this process, and it's so fun to see the outcome that you get. When it comes to sketching out the design, you can really just use any pencil, or you can just go forward with it without any sketching. But I'm one who likes to sketch out my paintings beforehand. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this is fabric, so if you're going to be painting on here, the paint will bleed through onto the other side and get on your table. So either lay something down or make sure you really wash up right after you're done painting. But I'm going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in April's Muse Kits box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now make sure to check out the weekly challenge prompts in your brochure, as well as the weekly videos where I try to tackle each challenge myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using hashtag MuseKits or tag us at GetMuseKits to get your 500 Laurel points. Now make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, and if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!